Hello class. This video is to show you, to explain, about the first class activity in week 1, and also give you a very short, brief tutorial to tell you what to do about this first class assignment. Yeah, the first class activity. Every week you will have one class activity, and you don't need to have a lot of posts. I require you only provide one post. So it's not quite a discussion. It's just an activity. I want to see how you do for your part. But I will also expect you to read other people's work. And then I want you to read at least 10 other students in this class and also give them a rating. So after you read them, you give them a rating from 1 to 5. That's the requirement for every class activity. So the first one is to exploring the census website. And what you need to do is to select 3 places. And these 3 places must come from 3 different states. So examples are maybe say like you choose Beaumont, Texas, you choose Las Vegas, Nevada, and you choose Los Angeles, California. Okay, but if somebody else already choose any one of these states or places, then you have to choose a different one. Okay, so you're not allowed to select the same location. Don't give me an excuse that you don't know. Okay, before you select the city, you better screen all other people, what other city they have already picked, and then don't choose the repeated one. Otherwise, you will not receive any point. And Miss Jennifer Lamb, she will be your IA, instructor assistant in this class. So she will help me out to review all of your posting and make sure that you don't have the same location repeat with other students. Okay, so that's a require. So after pick up these 3 places, I want you to give me some brief story or some background information about why you picked these 3 places. I want you to have some kind of a connection to this place, not just randomly choose from any places. It doesn't matter these 3 places are big or small, but I want them to have a certain kind of value or some kind of meaning to you. So it can, you pick up these places can be due to that someone else that you know used to stay there, maybe your family, your friends, or relatives, or maybe that's the places that happen certain social event, maybe hurricane, maybe earthquake, tornado, or like protest, gun shooting, etc. So whatever the places interest you, tell me what these reasons are, what interests you, so that you pick up these 3 places. And then after that, you will visit census website and then to explore 2 main information and provide a summary and discussion, and you're done. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the census website and briefly show you, where those information located, and I want you to read through it, write something out of this information. So okay, I'm gonna click the share screen here. So okay, you will see this census website, and the link is data.census.gov, and this link will also provided in your assignment description. So so here, like I said, I'm gonna use Beaumont, Texas as one of the city, for example. since I already choose Beaumont, Texas, so none of you can choose the same one, okay? So choose something else. So when you type down Beaumont, Texas, you must type down the state, okay? Because for example, like a Beaumont, there are many state have a city called Beaumont, like Kansas, like California. Yeah, they all have a city called Beaumont. So the one I want to explore is the Beaumont in Texas. So okay, once you click search, you will see that there are a lot of tables available, including like the population, total population, age and sex structure, population, 60 years and over, you know, the aging population, or like race, ethnicity information, also the map, etc. But not yet. I'm not going to ask you to doing all that. What I want you to first take a look for this first assignment, for this first class activity, is from, you know, this window by clicking this explore data, and then you will see the location, a very general map for Beaumont, Texas. It will tell you the overall information like median household income, poverty rate, employment rate, the population, and so forth. So that gives you an overall idea about this place. So I want you to review all these, you know, these are very brief, very general demographic information. So take a look at the information about your cities. Especially, I want you to discuss, you know, its people and population, and also the employment situation. So on the left-hand side of this navigation bar, you will see, you know, the people and population, and you will also see the employment. So just do a summary and discussion about these two pieces of information for the three cities you have found, and that will be the class activity for this week. Okay, so although it took me like 15 minutes to talk about all these, but it's actually very simple. Okay, so I hope you have fun and enjoy your exploration about those three cities in census data. Okay, bye.